Hey there, passport adventurers. If you've ever submitted a passport application and found yourself anxiously waiting for updates, you're not alone. In today's video, we're tackling the question, how can I track my passport application status? This is super important because nobody wants to be left in the dark about something as exciting, or nerve-wracking, as getting a new passport. Let's break it down step by step so you can check on your application with ease. First things first, the most straightforward way to track your status is online. Head over to your country's official passport website. For example, in the US, that's the State Department's website. Once you're there, look for the Track Your Application section. You'll need to enter some key details like your application number, date of birth, and possibly your last name. Make sure you have that information handy to avoid any hiccups. If online tracking isn't your style, many countries offer a mobile app for real-time updates. Download the official app from your app store, log in with your details, and voila! You'll get notifications right on your phone. This is perfect for those who are always on the go. Sometimes, technology doesn't cooperate, so don't forget about the good old phone call. Call the passport helpline. Numbers are usually listed on the official site, and speak to a representative. They can give you the latest status and answer any questions you might have. Just be prepared for potential wait times. These lines can get busy. A few tips to make this process smoother. Always use official government websites to avoid scams, double-check your application details for accuracy, and be patient. It can take weeks or even months depending on where you are. If you notice any discrepancies, follow up promptly. There you have it, folks. Tracking your passport application doesn't have to be a mystery. By following these steps, you'll stay informed and reduce that waiting anxiety. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.